and look at the yellow that remains. I guarantee if you try this at home and you soak your apples in your tap water, your filtered water, your bottled water, your vinegar, your pesticide wash from the health food store, none of you guys who try this at home using any of those liquids is going to find this yellow that remains in the water after you take your apples out. And see how clear the water is? And then I'm going to put the apples in, and after they're done soaking, the water's not going to be clear anymore. It's going to be that yellow that I just showed you. The water off here. Okay. Yeah, you can go ahead and do that one. And so,
oh wow!
As you can see,
there is a little bit of this. So this is regular tap water.
Yep.
I can see there's a little bit of color in here, but there's more color in there.
And so what happened is this water actually took off the pesticides that is on the tomatoes. Yeah, this is Tim McGaffin II. It's a Saturday morning. Cheri and I are doing a pancake breakfast, and I wanted to show you the pesticides that came off of my apples. So here's my apples. I soaked it in 11.5 pH strong Kangen water. The scientific name is electrolyzed reduced water. This is full of dissolved hydrogen. It's an antioxidant water. Do you see how yellow this is? This was completely clear, but now look at how yellow this is. Look at that. Do you see that? So I soaked the apples in the water. I took the apples out of the water. I put them in the drain here, and then I just rinsed them off. And look at the yellow that remains. I guarantee if you try this at home and you soak your apples in your tap water, your filtered water, your bottled water, your vinegar, your pesticide wash from the health food store, none of you guys who try this at home using any of those liquids is going to find this yellow that remains in the water after you take your apples out. You see why I'm so excited? Because drinking this water is the same thing. When you drink this Kangen water right here, here's the drinking water.
Kangen water 9.5.
The Kangen water 9.5, it does the same thing to your body. It gets into your cells. It hydrates you on a cellular level. It flushes out the toxins of your body. And can you imagine us eating these apples and then having all this yellow in our bodies? So this morning when Timmy said, "Dad, I want an apple," I said, "Okay, Timmy, I gotta wash it." So I washed it for him before he ate it, because I don't want that in my Timmy. And can you see why this has done so many amazing things for our family? Because it flushes out these toxins from our body. You guys, Kangen water, it is all about standing up for health and liberty. You can't have one without the other. If you make a sacrifice to get this water, miracles are gonna happen. Check out my other videos. I have pesticide playlists on the video platform that you're watching. If you go to my playlist, you'll find a whole playlist on pesticides. Also check out my video, You're Not Sick, You're Thirsty. If you do a search for Tim McGaffin, You're Not Sick, You're Thirsty, you'll find my video and you'll see how much the powers that shouldn't be care about you. Do your research. Look at my pesticide videos. Find You're Not Sick, You're Thirsty by Tim McGaffin. And if you contact me directly, I have a study that I can give you that proves that what this water is pulling off of the fruits and vegetables is pesticides, and it's not nutrients. It proves that it's not pulling nutrients off, it's pulling the pesticides off. So how you make this water is right here. You go down here.
Strong acidic water.
You push this button, it says 2.5 right there. And what happens is the 2.5 pH electrolyzed reduced water comes out of the bottom hose, and I collected it in those glasses there when it came out. This is a natural disinfectant, and it kills MRSA, it kills E. coli, it kills staph, it kills flesh-eating bacteria, and bleach doesn't even kill MRSA, but this does. And this is a natural mouthwash. You can gargle this, it's a natural teeth whitener, it's going to kill all the germs in your mouth. So this is what we use to disinfect our kitchen, our counters, our toys for Timmy. And then out of the top hose here is where comes out the 11.5. So simultaneously 2.5 comes out of the bottom hose, and then out of the top hose comes the 11.5, which was this water that the apple soaked in. And then when you soak your fruits and vegetables in this water, it pulls off and breaks down the pesticides. So use this to clean oil-based stains as well. And then you can use the 2.5 to clean protein-based stains when you do laundry or washing your clothes. There's over 100 different uses for this water. Do your research. Remember, champions never quit. Get back to the person I invited you to watch this video. Get your questions answered and do what you can to get this water in your life. You can get it for less than the cost of your cell phone. Champions never quit. Get excited, you guys. Miracles are happening. Never give up. Okay, so here I am making the waters. Here's the 11.5 coming out of the top hose, and there's the 2.5 coming out of the bottom hose. I'm collecting that one. And see how clear the water is? And then I'm going to put the apples in, and after they're done soaking, the water's not going to be clear anymore. It's going to be that yellow that I just showed you. The greatest thing you can do in your life is to get back up when you get knocked down. Champions never quit.